The next company is called Politecnica, is a member of Alleanza delle Cooperative. The speaker that I'm calling to the stage is Mr. Enea Sermasi. The Politecnica specializes in sustainable building, land use and reconversion. They focus on infrastructures such as schools, hospital and transportation network that connect communities more easily. Please, Mr. Sermasi.
Thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. Special thanks to Italian Trade Agency for this invitation, General Commissioner as well, and the Italian Pavilion, as we are honored to represent today at Dubai Expo the competence of the Italian architecture and engineering. I am Enea Sermasi, head of the international business development of the company Politecnica, Ingegneria ed Architettura, Società Cooperativa. I'm going to briefly introduce you our next video. Politecnica is one of the largest Italian design companies for architecture and urban planning services. We are an independent consultancy service company owned by 42 partners, engineers and architects, who have signed construction projects over 50 countries worldwide. Politecnica was born from the integration of different skills of architects, civil engineers, electrical and mechanical engineers, and urban planners, all providing altogether an effective teamwork in-house. This year is a very important year for us because we celebrate 50 years of activity. We've carried out hundreds of projects in Europe and in developing countries, always starting from the analysis of the impact of the built environment on communities, with the ultimate goal of always ensuring essential, inclusive, and sustainable solutions to the territories in which we operated. So we are convinced that this is the correct way to support the transition to a sustainable development model as set out in the United Nations 2030 agenda, as well as in the European Green Deal. So as designers, we feel we have a great responsibility and at the same time, a great opportunity to give our contribution to this global change. Politecnica was also one of the first companies in Italy to join the international protocols for sustainable design, such as LEED and BREEAM for buildings, Envision for infrastructures, and we were among the founders of the Italian Association of Sustainable Infrastructure. To conclude my brief introduction, I'd like to mention also our commitment to promote and export the Italian culture of integrated and sustainable design. We organize knowledge-sharing programs with our clients and partners to share the most innovative design solution on many topics, from the climate change for infrastructures to COVID-proof design solutions for future hospitals, always inspired by the spirit of cooperation, which is our main driver to build for humans. I'm going to show you a brief visual contents, and so please enjoy the video. Thank you.
The future, closer than we imagine. The COVID-19 emergency has changed our present, shaping new urban contexts and modifying our relationships with our homes, workplaces, and public spaces. Challenges were born, and overcoming them is the key to a better future. But how? At Politecnica, we start from a precise and thorough analysis of change. We study the need for physical spaces that are better designed and more useful, developing inclusive and flexible urban ecosystems. There is a need for modular and shared spaces to reconcile professional and personal life, a need for new opportunities, social, economic, and cultural. To reach these goals, we follow a process design first that comes before form and space. A design built on the founding values of Politecnica: project culture, humanism, and social responsibility. Our planners feel the inherent responsibility to imagine what there isn't and what must be. We develop structures for the whole community, providing essential services that are inclusive and secure in order to protect the future for new generations. Politecnica's design philosophy is functional and versatile for improving urban spaces so that they are ready to face future challenges. We build flexible healthcare hubs that are resilient and sustainable thanks to our health infrastructure specialized team. We participate in more than 75 activities in Italy, improving 19 different hospitals in order to realize new infrastructures with the latest biomedical devices and technologies, guaranteeing full autonomy and functionality of the infrastructures. We design modern, secure, and efficient infrastructure, interlocked to intermodal transportation hubs which are accessible and digitalized to improve the ecological transition. We care about the community needs and objectives, defining which and how many long-term benefits will arise while minimizing adverse effects of the community. Politecnica is strongly committed to every form of sustainability, environmental, economic, and social. Therefore, we participate in and promote national and international activities. Hence, we use the Envision protocol, the best rating system in realizing sustainable infrastructure. We participate in programs and initiatives of the most innovative planning themes, such as the climate change resilience of infrastructural works realizing modern, secure, and adaptable infrastructures. The Wismar Bridge in Gutana, the Philip Goldson Highway, and the Hoolover Bridge in Belize. In 2020, in Italy, we contributed to establishing and promoting AIS, the Sustainable Infrastructure Association, to revolutionize the Italian development and design system. Last but not least, we safeguard architectural and historical heritage, passing historical values and identity to future generations. We firmly believe in the importance of restoring and renovating the building stock for new purposes, such as social and cultural. We enthusiastically accept design challenges to promote territories and iconic landmarks filled with history. Some of the projects we are most proud of are the renovation of Amideria di Ruda, creating a new functional space in a historic building, the restoration of the Arsenale di Verona, giving new life to host public and cultural events. This last project is being evaluated for the GBC, Historic Building Certification, proving our commitment to sustainability and care in our work. Politecnica's pledge for a better future drives us in building a company that is most of all a professional community founded on inclusivity and respect. We believe in more than 280 workers, 40% of which are women, building a skilled team of engineers, architects, technicians, and experts. With an average age of 36 years old, we believe in the youngest and support the oldest generations, encouraging them to learn from each other. Evolving is the key to our 50 years history, generating more than 20 million of income and opening offices all around the world, from Modena to Copenhagen. With Politecnica, the future is here, and with us, you will be ready to face today's challenges.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Sermasi. Once again, we have seen the evidence of the quality of the brains of our engineer, architects, and designer. We've seen works that you've done all over the world. So, as you can see, not only the products can be exported, but also our ingenuity, our brains. Thank you so much.
Thank you.